Are you looking for the best work lights? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best work lights on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Milwaukee Cordless Rocket Dual Power Tower Light. If I still had my shop, this light would be out on the floor every day. The Milwaukee M18 Rocket Dual Power LED floodlight is durable, reliable, and bright, with 2 power options and an adjustable tripod that's perfect for aiming the light right where it needs to be. With an output of 3000 lumens, Milwaukee's bright stream of light provides perfect illumination for different tasks, from lighting underneath your car to painting a ceiling. It's a dual power light, meaning you can plug it in using any extension cord if your job site has power available. The compact LED light head is impact resistant, so you don't need to worry about tipping over, unlike the more fragile, but brighter, halogen bulb in the Woods 500-watt portable work light, our best budget pick. It's also dust and water resistant, with an IP54 rating, so you can use it both indoors and outdoors. That's one of the best IP ratings on our list, though the Maxeon Cyclops 720, our best portable pick, has a stronger IP64 rating. This light also uses Milwaukee M18 batteries but doesn't include one. If you don't already own Milwaukee products, you can pick up an M18 XC starter kit that comes with a battery and charger. Dimensions: 7.5 by 8 by 40.5 inches, lumens, 3000, weight, 15.25 pounds. Number 2. Woods Portable Work Light. Halogen lights have limitations, they get super hot, but the Woods 500-watt portable work light is a bright and versatile option that won't break the bank. I used an almost identical light in my shop and still have it in my garage today because it's exceptionally bright and portable, with durable all-metal construction and a tempered glass lens to protect the bulb. The built-in carrying handle makes it easy to pick up and move around, and the head rotates up and down to aim light where you need it. This is the only halogen work light I recommend, due to the inherent benefits of LEDs. It runs very hot, despite a heat-dissipating design, so it can be uncomfortable to use in close quarters. My one big issue with this light is the short power cord. Mine has the exact same design. It's so short that the light isn't usable without a heavy-duty extension cord, so you'll have to pick one up if you don't already have one. It doesn't have a power switch either, but with such a short cord, that isn't a big issue. It turns on when you plug it in and off when you unplug it. Dimensions: 8 by 8.5 by 12 inches, lumens, 7000, weight, 3.1 pounds. Number 3. Cable Matters 25 feet 75W Trouble Light. This classic trouble light is exactly what every mechanic needs in their toolbox, or hanging next to it, at least. I still have my trusty Blue Point trouble light from my days as a mechanic, but I'd buy this one from Cable Matters if I didn't. The timeless trouble/drop light design includes a comfortable plastic handle with a push-button switch that you won't accidentally turn off, a strong metal cage and reflector, and a hook for hanging it off a convenient shroud or bracket. The best part about this trouble light is that the handle includes a built-in grounded outlet, so there's no need to pull out a separate extension cord. I recommend Rough Service 100-watt equivalent LED bulbs designed for garage door openers since they're shock-resistant. Cool or bright white is preferred for most tasks, but you can use warm or soft white if you prefer. While this light is a classic pick every mechanic should have, I also love the Maxeon Cyclops 720, our best portable pick, for automotive repair applications. It's small, bright, and has a strong magnet that lets you stick it to any handy ferrous metal available on the undercarriage of the car you're working on, like the frame, for an easy, hands and cord-free light source. Dimensions: 13.78 by 3.94 by 3.54 inches, lumens, not applicable, weight, 2.72 pounds. Number 4. Maxeon Cyclops 720. The Maxeon Cyclops is my favorite portable work light because it's tiny, bright, and durable. This light wasn't available when I still had my shop, but I would have had a fleet of them in my toolbox if that had been an option. This light is small enough to slip in your pocket, but it puts out plenty of light, with 3 intensity settings, and isn't flimsy or weak at all. I do wish the plastic housing was chemical resistant, but if you avoid spraying brake cleaner or acetone on it, you probably won't have an issue. This battery-powered light charges via USB-C, so you can use the same charger that you use for your phone. It lasts a long time, too, at about 5 to 6 hours per charge, and only takes 3 hours to fully charge. The base is my favorite thing about this light, other than the size and brightness. You can set it on a workbench and then swing the light to achieve the ideal angle, but it's also magnetic, so it's perfect for working on cars. Snap it to the frame, a strut tower, or any other convenient bit of ferrous metal, and it holds fast. It's also dust-proof and water-resistant, with an IP64 rating, so you can use it in pretty harsh environments without worrying. I love that, because incandescent bulbs blowing every time a little antifreeze dripped on them was a huge headache at my shop. Dimensions: 1 by 3 by 5 inches, lumens, 700, weight, 7 ounces. Number 5. Cable Matters Portable LED Clamp Light. This clamp light from Cable Matters combines a tried-and-true design and modern technology that I love to see. I have similar clamp lights from my days as a mechanic that require light bulbs, so I love that this one has a built-in LED instead. This light features the same type of strong metal clamp I always look for in this kind of light, but it uses a compact LED light instead of a bulb and bulky reflector. It's easier to maneuver in tight spots than a reflector-style clamp light but holds just as tightly. I like that this light's color temperature is bright white and that it provides more than enough illumination for task lighting. Whether you clamp it to the undercarriage of your car or a workbench, it puts out plenty of light without any dingy yellow or orange undertones. My only complaints about this light are minor. The cord is shorter than I'd like, and the light doesn't swivel very easily. The cord is 6 feet long, which is more than enough if you're using it at your workbench, but it will likely come up short if you're using it to work on your car or a job site. That's easily solved with an extension cord, but it would have been nice if the cord were longer. I feel the same way about the mobility issue. It does swivel, but only if you loosen up a screw first. Dimensions: 3 by 5 by 12 inches, lumens, 800, weight, 1.1 pounds.